What's up, YouTube? It's Adam Della here with another pin review for Truphae. Today we're going to be looking at the 1980s Montblanc Slimline. I got quite a few of the Slimlines here, and we're going to just take a look at them, and I'll show you guys what I like about them. First up, we're going to take a look at the Montblanc Slimline in stainless steel. Right off the bat, what I love about these Montblancs is the price. It's an entry-level Montblanc that gives you the full experience of a beautifully crafted writing instrument without that price tag that'll break the bank that you can see on a lot of the higher-end pens. What's really cool about this pen is that we get not just one Montblanc logo, but two for the price of one. And then you'll also see that the Montblanc is written right underneath the clip, and then underneath that is Germany. The cap is a friction fit cap, and all the nibs are nice long nibs that are pretty narrow. They'll have different things printed on them depending on which version you get, which model, which year. But on this model, you can see we have the MB printed on a stainless steel nib. A beautiful weight to this pen. I love the weight of this pen. Unposted, and then if you post it, it snaps in and it feels great posted too. I mean, it's a nice slim pen. It's a great way to get into the Montblanc line. Next, we'll take a look at the black with gold trim with a nice matte black kind of to it. As you can see again, we have 1, 2, and then a third Montblanc logo on this pen, which is great. So you're getting not 1, not 2, but 3 Montblanc logos on this pen. It's a really great pen if it's in your pocket. I think it looks great walking around. Oof, that looks real good. Look at that, huh? I mean, come on. That really makes a jacket sing. Love the gold trim on this. And as you can see, this one is different. It has the Montblanc logo on the nib as well, and it is gold plated. So that's cool. So you're not getting 1, you're not getting 2 or 3, you're getting 4 Montblanc logos on one pen with this Slimline. And again, it depends on what year, what model. Next up, we have a nice deep green. So this Slimline's beautiful, and they've kind of stopped doing the green as much in their pens. So this color is really just a beautiful color that's kind of reminiscent of the 80s for Montblanc's color and everything like that. Again, it's a matte finish, this dark forest green. You're getting the 3 logos on the outside, which I love. And then again, this one has that Montblanc logo on the nib, gold plated. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Add them to the pocket as we reveal them. Oof. Next up, the brown. Now this is a beautiful brown, and again, you're not going to find this brown in as many of the new Montblancs because they aren't doing this color as much. It's gold plated. You get the 3 logos, 1 on the clip, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. And again, the Montblanc logo blasted onto that nib, looking beautiful. Just a gorgeous brown, and the gold really works well with this deep brown as well. There we go, there we go. Next up, one of my favorite colors from Montblanc. Their reds, everything they have in red is just gorgeous. This deep burgundy, it's beautiful. With the gold, it looks so good. This one you can see, again, they're all different. This one does not have the Montblanc logo on it, but it's, again, just a beautiful nib, gold plated, with Montblanc printed onto it. And last in kind of the painted colors, you know, the matte finish color series is this guy, the white, a beautiful, nice white finish here. Looks amazing with the gold. You're getting the 3 emblems again. The nib, again, slightly different, nothing printed on the nib. It just says Montblanc. A beautiful nib. And if you're looking for something a little bit nicer, there's kind of the blacked out Slimline, which has a nice little racing stripe of sorts here on the clip. And again, you get the 2 Montblanc logos on there. And then this one is actually a gold nib. So you can see printed on there, it's a gold nib. And if you're really looking to flex, then you want to go with the gold plated with the lines, just beautiful flex pin. I mean, you whip this thing out at the office, everybody's gonna know you mean business. I absolutely love this pin. It's beautiful. It's a statement. It writes like a dream. And I love the kind of textured grip on these. They just feel so good. So these Slimlines are all converter fills. So they have cartridge converters in here that you fill up. But if you're looking to get a little bit more into the fountain pen game and you want something that makes a statement like this but still has the form factor of the Slimline, because it is just a really good feel in the hand. So this one has the different sort of nib here. It's a little bit wider. You can see the ink window. And this one has a piston that you can fill, so you don't need the cartridge. And it's just a little bit more expensive than the Slimlines with the cartridge converters, but you're gonna get that better fountain pen experience. Now, I'm gonna do what I do and do a doodle. Thanks for watching. This has been Adam Della for Truphae. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And as always, a Penman salute to you.